that's madly crazy. Keep on moving. If you ever found lost in the desert, this is the place that you should be aware of. This always grows towards south. That's where we want to go, south. So always look to this place. Is it called Seagull of Beach? You can't imagine the humidity that's over here. At this time of year it reaches 100% of humidity. Look, this is one of the most venomous insects in all the planet. It's full of enzymes that can kill you and give you a shock, an hemophiliac shock to your brain. It stops your heart in 2 minutes. Let's go. Now it is. Well, it's not a full meal, but at least it's gonna give me some proteins to keep on going. Everything is edible. It's like warm pus. Oh. Let's keep on moving. Over here. And if you don't find any water over here, it's your death. One of the things that a lot of people make mistakes, it's when they see berries, these green berries, and they see the animals eating, they think that it's good to eat, but it's not. It's completely wrong. Only the animals that eat these have the immunitary system to fight against him. One single green berry of these can kill 100 men. It's poison. This, it's what the natives of Niche call shuron. It's a really highly potent antiseptic, and if you have any wound, anything, you just cut it and squeeze a little and pass again to your skin. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of it. This is enough. This is one of the most highly protein things in the desert, and it's full of water and rich in every single aspect. It can save literally your life. This is gonna give me a fine meal. As you can see, it's called onion on the desert, and it's a highly protein thing, and you just could eat it raw like this. In the Scouts, they teach me how to survive and all the techniques we need to use. Because... Come! So Robbie, see? Robbie drops over there. Come here. Rat drops over there. Rabbit drops over there. So there must be a family of rabbits around here. As I was talking before, you can see over here rabbit footprints and snake footprints as well. So there must be a family of rabbits around here. I'm gonna try to set some traps over here to see if I can catch any of them for my dinner or for my breakfast. I'm gonna put one over here, simple way so he can pass on. Then I'm gonna use that piece of wood that I found earlier to set up the trap. It's gonna act like a counterweight. There he is. So when the rabbit passes on, it's gonna trick it, and this is gonna fall and it's gonna kill him, probably, I guess, and I hope. So it's gonna give me a nice dinner or a nice breakfast. Or is it my imagination, or I'm hearing the sea? Let's go. way home. It's been a fantastic journey and a nasty test that put all my limits to restraint and maximum. Well, I'm just glad I'm out of this